Okay, ladies. Good morning, Taylor. We are vlogging. Good morning, Angie. Say good morning, Maggie.
Hi, good morning.
Let's do everyone who has their nails done, except, well, yeah.
I don't have my nails done yet. I'm a little ratchet, but they'll be done later tonight.
I know. And girl, let me see your nails right now.
My nails are so busted. Look. They don't get done. Stop.
You're gonna get your hair done later too. Yeah, for Prom.
For Prom. Yeah, I'm gonna get a nice braid.
Yeah, like that one.
Yeah. No, this is my ratchet braid. This is
your ratchet braid.
Pocahontas.
You're gonna get not Layden Slade. Oh God, no.
It's gonna be Layden Slade.
Oh, okay, so it is gonna be Layden
It's
Slade.
gonna be Layden Slade. Don't worry, I'm not gonna look busted later. She really tried to get me at my worst. What she's trying to do.
Sips tea. Oh, is it really hot?
It's hot.
Yeah, I was about to say sips tea like the drama.
Oh my God, no, there's always tea.
There is always tea. I don't want to show my face because my face looks busted right now.
Oh, so you're okay with showing
My face looks busted.
busted every day.
No, Angie looks great as usual. Angie looks great.
You see, my eyebrows have been growing. You see that?
I have. Like, do you want me to zoom in?
I just got my card.
Yeah, look at my eyebrows. I mean, they're not on flake, but they've been growing. Like, honestly, I have a unibrow, guys.
Yes, girl. No, I don't. I look so busted. I'm not even gonna show my face.
It's not even
I'm not even gonna show my face. Thank you.
anticipating because I'm a vegetarian.
I got a waffle and some eggies. Yes, girl. Would you get like the crab meat omelet? I'm living for it. I might die if I eat that, but it's all right.
I'll keep it away from you.
The Spanish omelet, homemade.
I love
If you guys live in Puerto Rico, that's where my aunt's from, and she loves you, and I love you too.
And Angie got kind of the same thing as me, but oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, the OG holding it down.
I gotta get.
Where you got?
There's nothing wrong with like you guys' food. It's like you could never go wrong with it.
Never go wrong.
It's like when you go to a restaurant